Let me show you this $30,000 suite penthouse in Dubai. And yes, we were up there. We was literally the top floor. This condo is located at the Sunder, and yes, we stayed in unit 2301. You have a 5-bedroom, 5-bath, 4,000 plus square foot. Welcome to the palace. Is what?
I'm going back to my room.
Condominium. First bedroom, which is the master bedroom, will be located in here. Don't mind the bed, y'all, because I should have got a first video when I first got here, and I didn't. Here is the bathroom. His and hers. Peekaboo. With this beautiful tub, beautiful view. Shower. Toilet. And it's like a roundabout. And here we are, back out again. Here's the bedroom number 2. You have the bathroom, toilet, shower. This is Carter's. This is where my son is, with a beautiful view. Spectacular view. Okay. You don't understand what view he got yet. But that is the kitchen, straight across. Y'all, this kitchen has a sliding door. Literally. Slide to close it. Back to the living area. Has a literally 360 angle view from left to right off of the beach. We're literally right in front of the fair as well. During the day, it's amazing. I'll drop below a small clip here so you can see what it looks like during the daytime, which is beautiful because that is actually the 5 Palms located right here. Let's go. Going back down the hallway near the entrance will be where Love and Julian's room is located. Love room, June's room, and just an extra bathroom outside of their bathroom, which is here. I guess if you have a guest. Here is Love's room. Again, do not mind her room because we been here. Okay, so that's her bathroom, her shower. And guys, keep in mind, this place to stay is $30,000 a month. Love got the best view to me. $30,000 a month for a view like this. Yeah, I know. 30,000. Okay, let's go in here with June. Same. The bathrooms are pretty standard, y'all. The only one that's different, obviously, is the master has his and hers. He's knocked out. And these cabinets that I forgot to show y'all in all the rooms are storage spaces, closets. So, again. And he has the same view. He's snoring like a grown man. June? June? Hello? Hello, sir? June? Son? We have brought to you today by Fuck 'em Up, sir. Come on. Come on, son. It's time to go. Let's go. And that is the end. The extra bedroom, y'all, is like a maid's room. It's very, very small, so it wasn't worth showing, but I guess I could show y'all anyway because we are here. But it's this door. This little twin bed here. And a bathroom. And still storage space. So, yes, they have a maid room. So, if you have a maid, your maid lay here. Wow, right?
Big dog, big dog. Do it for the brand, that's big dog. Bitch wanna run with the big dog. We burn it deep real quick. Big dog. Big dog. Freestyle. Big dog. Bitches wanna run with the big dog. Ran up 100 in the money. Wish I was playing, but bitch